will go ahead and start with produce. I got 1 green pepper, 2 red onions, or 2 purple onions, I guess, whatever you call them. I needed a bunch of onions. I got a big thing of mushrooms. Half of this is for a recipe, and then the other half is for snacking. Ariana wanted to do a chopped salad kit for her meal prep this week, so I got Roadhouse Barbecue. This has red cabbage, green leaf lettuce, green onion, red cabbage, kale, carrots, ginger onion strings, and crispy dillies. So I'm assuming those are like dill pickle something. But anyways, this is what we got for her. And then the salad dressing is smoky mesquite barbecue dressing. We needed a few stalks of celery, but this was only $1.25 for this great big huge thing, which looks like we broke already. So I'll chop this up for snack. We needed some thyme, some rosemary, and then I got another container of the partially freeze-dried cilantro. Okay, next we have a hodgepodge of stuff that will eventually end up in our refrigerator minus the 2 cans. For the canned goods, I needed 1 thing of tomato paste and then 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes. I've got a 4-pack of the Dannon Light and Fit Greek yogurt. This is a lemon cream flavor. Guys, Wendy over at Wendy's WW Journey has me absolutely obsessed with these. I mixed fresh fruit in them, and they are so good. Then I've got some more of my Light and Fit protein drinks. They only had strawberry banana this time. I needed some light sour cream. I got some light Laughing Cow cheese. And then this is new. This is jalapeno cilantro hummus. Thought we'd give this a try. We got a jar of jalapeno slices. We needed some more light Miracle Whip. I just got a small container of that. We got some more thick and chunky salsa. This is the Great Value brand. Needed some crescent rolls for some recipes. And then for salad dressing and dip for my chicken nuggets, I've got some Honey Dijon Skinny Girl salad dressing. And then we got the poppy seed. Okay, for meat products, Ariana wanted some chicken nuggets. So these are for her meal prep. We got 1 pound of the 93% lean ground beef. And then I wanted to do a pork loin recipe. I've got some California blend veggies I wanted to cook up, so I thought I'd do it with a roast. So we've got I believe it's, 4.82 pound boneless pork loin. Okay, next round. I needed some more pita pockets. I bought these for the first time last week, and they are fantastic. They are very yummy, a nice alternative to bread. We needed some more all-purpose flour. Needed some more fennel seed. Actually, not more. I think this might be one of the first times we've ever bought this, but I needed it for a recipe, so here we are. And then celery salt. Now, I wanted to get butterscotch Lily's baking chips, but they didn't have any. So I thought we would give the chocolate salted caramel flavor a try. And then to go on top of that, I thought some of this sugar-free caramel topping might be yummy. Or we can do the sugar-free syrup. We'll see. Staple in my refrigerator right now is this Zero Sugar Ready Whip. And then we're doing a street taco recipe later this week. And we needed some of these super or extra thin Mission yellow corn tortillas. Okay, I don't know if Steve and I were thirsty when we were shopping, but I feel like we got a lot of drinks. We've got 3 gallons of the 2% milk. We've got 2 packages of this extra sweet pure leaf tea for Steve. I needed to restock on my espresso. So I've got this, I'm going to say it wrong, Ristretto. This is an intensity of 10, which is the highest, and this has spice and chocolate in it. Then this one is the Richezza, couldn't even tell you, intensity of 8, berry and brown sugar. And then this one is a 9, and this is the Cremascura. And it is a dark, luscious cream. And it's really good. It's kind of got like a cream on top of it. Really good. And then for creamer, I got more of the Hazelnut Mocha Friends Central Perk Creamer. And then this is new for us. This is the Move Coca-Cola. I've got a case of the Zero Sugar for myself right here. And then got a case of the regular for Steve. All right, a few snack items here. I think Steve picked these up for his lunch. These are basically like fancy ramen noodles. He got fiery beef and fiery beef. Alrighty. Then he got some Nutty Buddies. Him and the kids like to snack on these. And then he said he wanted these for breakfast. These are the Great Value chocolate chip mini muffins. And then for myself, I found some sugar-free lemon jello. Finally, I'm planning on freezing my green grapes and then sprinkling some of this on top of it. One of my favorite snacks. Okay, and then we have our household items. Some of these are kind of weird for a Weight Watchers video, but I'm showing you because I want to tell you the total of our grocery haul. Steve does a lot of modeling, or he builds models, so he needed some more paint, so this is his. I couldn't tell you anything about it. We needed some more aluminum foil. These are the individual sheets. I like to use these in the bottom of my air fryer. We have the one that has the shelves on the bottom, and it's got like a drip pan, so we cover the drip pan with this, but we also like to use these when we are packaging up our meat. And then we needed a roll of the regular stuff. We needed a, what is this? I can't think. Surge protector, because I got this milk frother thing to go with my coffee pot, and we are very limited on plugs in the kitchen. So we're going to run a surge protector to my little coffee area so I can keep them both plugged in. I needed some bobby pins. They're upside down. Then we got some soap for Brendan. This stuff smells really good, by the way. And then one of the guys needed more deodorant, so we got more of that. All right, and then the last thing that we got is a new teenager. We found her in the clearance aisle. Just kidding. So this is my youngest, Ava. Don't make that face. They're supposed to be tight. So, oh, the tag. I'll hurry. We wanted to make sure they fit. So Ava joined a local roller derby team, and so we needed to get her some exercise clothes. So we've got her some super cute leggings, and then we got her this peach colored tank top. Come here, Ava. And then I'm only going to show you the shoulders. We got her a matching running bra, which is what she's complaining about. And then we got her a long sleeve dry fit shirt to go over the top, just in case she gets cold. That is such a lovely face, Ava. Smile pretty. Peekaboo. All right, the end.